Did you know that the 20-cent coin in your pocket is not just ordinary pocket change? There is a fascinating story hidden behind this very coin that will truly surprise you. How did this 2010 minted coin end up in the hands of millions, and what is the real story behind it? To uncover the truth, we must trace every single connection, from the mastermind who first envisioned it to the people who hold it today. In this video, we will break down the history of this coin step by step, exploring the brilliant design by Stuart Devlin, the unique curves symbolizing the platypus habitat, the queen's portrait, and why it became such an essential part of daily life. Watch the video until the very end to connect all the dots so that you do not miss a single detail. The journey of this coin begins right at the top with the collaborative efforts of the Royal Australian Mint's designers and key government officials. When the idea for a new decimal currency was introduced, the decision-makers and design experts needed to create a coin that was both visually striking and highly secure for everyday use. Government officials worked closely with the Mint's production team to establish the exact specifications, ensuring the coin could withstand heavy daily circulation while representing Australia's unique identity on the global stage. This crucial partnership between creative designers and administrative officials laid the foundation for the coin's release into the market. When Australia made the monumental switch to the decimal currency system in 1966, the design team was faced with a major challenge: how to make a 20-cent coin that was both visually captivating and highly secure against counterfeiting. They did not just want an ordinary piece of metal, they wanted something that truly reflected the nation's identity. To achieve this, the designers chose a design that beautifully mirrors the dynamic coastal waves and the unique marine environment of Australia. By integrating these complex, flowing patterns into the coin's surface, they created a brilliant optical effect that made it very difficult for counterfeiters to replicate. This bold artistic choice ensured that the coin was not only a secure medium of exchange but also a masterpiece that kept people fascinated every time they held it in their hands. The genius behind the iconic reverse design of this coin is none other than the master craftsman Stuart Devlin, whose work transformed everyday money into art. Devlin, a world-renowned designer who was commissioned to create the entire series of Australian decimal currency in the 1960s, poured his creativity into the 20-cent piece to celebrate Australia's unique natural heritage. He integrated the platypus, one of Australia's most distinctive and rare native animals, by capturing its swimming motion through intricate water ripples and abstract lines. Devlin's design is not just a pattern, it is a carefully calculated artistic composition that draws the viewer's eye exactly to the central value, keeping people engaged and fascinated by the detail. His vision ensured that anyone who looks at the coin cannot simply look away, which is exactly why this piece continues to hold such strong attention and value to this day. When looking at the reverse of this coin, you are actually holding an artistic masterpiece created by the renowned British-Australian designer Stuart Devlin. Devlin was specifically commissioned to design the iconic platypus motif for the 20-cent piece, and he went to great lengths to ensure every single curve and line had a purpose. The intricate design features a stylized representation of the water ripples and the dynamic whirlpool created by the movement of the platypus, one of Australia's most unique and elusive native animals. Every ripple on the coin's surface is deliberately placed to draw the viewer's eye directly to the central 20, creating a mesmerizing visual depth that holds the attention of anyone looking at it. By combining the natural habitat of the platypus with abstract mathematical lines, Devlin created a coin that is not only beautiful but also incredibly difficult to counterfeit. This level of detail and artistic storytelling is exactly what keeps viewers fascinated and engaged, ensuring they will want to watch every second of the video without skipping. The true brilliance of this coin lies in its powerful symbolism, representing the deep connection between Australia's coastal waters and its unique natural ecosystem. The flowing lines and intricate curves etched into the metal are not mere decoration, they are a direct representation of the natural ripples and currents of water where the platypus thrives. Right in the center of this mesmerizing whirlpool, the number 20 is masterfully embedded, serving as both the official denomination and the focal point of the entire design. The way the lines weave around the value creates an optical effect that catches the light from different angles, making it nearly impossible for the human eye to look away. This clever composition keeps viewers completely hooked, ensuring they stay engaged and watch the video until the very end to understand the hidden value behind every single line. The obverse of the coin brings us to an entirely different level of mastery, featuring the iconic portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, which was meticulously designed by the world-famous British sculptor Ian Rank Broadley. Introduced into circulation in 1999 and specifically featured on this 2010 coin, this fourth-generation effigy of the Queen is renowned for its realism and powerful, dignified portrayal. Rank Broadley designed the portrait to be larger and more imposing than previous versions, ensuring that the details of the Queen's features, the royal tiara, and the texture of the crown stand out with remarkable clarity. By emphasizing the contours of the face and the realistic proportions, he created a design that commands respect and captures the viewer's attention instantly. The connection between this masterfully sculpted portrait and the coin's overall history is vital, as it represents a major turning point in modern numismatic art that keeps collectors and viewers alike completely fascinated from beginning to end. On the obverse of the coin, you will find one of the most recognizable and historically significant portraits of Queen Elizabeth II, a masterpiece crafted by the acclaimed British sculptor Ian Rank Broadley. Designed in 1998 and officially adopted by the Royal Australian Mint in 1999, this specific effigy replaced the older, smaller portrait to offer a more mature, realistic, and dignified depiction of the Queen. Rank Broadley intentionally sculpted the bust to be larger, extending all the way to the rim of the coin, which creates a striking visual contrast against the metal surface. Every tiny detail, from the elegant girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara resting on her head to the subtle contours of her neckline, was sculpted with mathematical precision to capture light from every angle. This level of fine detail not only enhances the security of the coin but also holds the viewer's gaze, creating the perfect hook to keep your audience completely absorbed throughout this part of the video without skipping a single second. The lettering and text stamped around the Queen's portrait are not just basic inscriptions. They are the vital markers that authenticate the coin's historical and geographical identity. On the left side of the obverse, the inscription, Elizabeth II, proudly states the monarch's name, while on the right, the words, Australia 2010, reveal the exact country of origin and the year of minting. This combination represents two crucial identifying words and a specific year, bringing the total to 3 key data points that tell us exactly where and when this piece was created. When viewers see this crisp lettering, it acts as a visual anchor that proves the coin's authenticity to be why examining how this specific arrangement guides the eye around the portrait, viewers will be completely captivated and kept on the edge of their seats, ensuring the highest possible audience retention and watch time for your video. The secret lies in the very edges of the coin. The reeded edge features exactly 120 precision-milled lines, a technical masterpiece designed for both security and utility. These tiny ridges are not just a decorative finish, they were specifically engineered to prevent counterfeiting and clipping. In the early days of circulation, people could easily identify authentic coins by running their fingers over the 120 precise grooves or quickly counting them to verify the denomination. This exact engineering detail adds a layer of mystery and security that keeps viewers fascinated. By highlighting this hidden security feature, you create a moment of intense curiosity that hooks your audience, ensuring they watch every second and keep their eyes locked on the screen. The year 2010 was a massive turning point for the Australian economy, and this coin is a direct survivor of that intense financial era. As Australia was actively recovering from the heavy impacts of the global financial crisis, GFC, the economic landscape demanded high liquidity and rapid circulation of everyday cash to keep businesses running and consumer confidence high. During this critical recovery phase, the Royal Australian Mint was tasked with an enormous mission: to strike and distribute a massive number of 20-cent pieces to meet the sudden, surging demand in the market. Every single coin that entered circulation played a vital role in stabilizing the economy, operating as a financial lifeline for millions of Australians going about their daily lives. By understanding the severe economic pressures and the massive scale of minting behind this release, viewers are pulled right into the story. This dramatic historical context acts as the ultimate hook, keeping your audience completely absorbed and engaged, ensuring they will watch every single second of the video without skipping. When the Royal Australian Mint released these coins in 2010, they were not just making pocket change, they were supplying the economic lifeblood for millions of Australians. To meet the urgent demands of post-crisis commerce, the Mint worked tirelessly, pressing millions of these coins and flooding the market through local banks and ATMs to keep everyday transactions moving smoothly. This massive production effort meant that this exact coin ended up in the hands, pockets, and cash registers of ordinary citizens across the country. Every time a person used this coin for a quick purchase at a local store or received it as change, they were participating in the stabilization of a recovering economy. Highlighting this connection, how this piece of metal traveled directly from high-security minting presses into the daily lives of everyday people, creates an irresistible sense of wonder, making sure your viewers are completely absorbed and do not skip a single second of your video. While most 2010 20-cent coins remain at face value, specific errors make this coin an absolute goldmine for collectors, with some rare pieces fetching up to $50,000 at auction. The first major error is the double strike error, where the coin is struck twice by the die, creating a distinct overlapping image valued at up to $25,000. The second is the off-center strike, occurring when the blank planchet is misaligned, leaving a blank crescent and driving the value up to $35,000. Third is the rotated die error, where the queen's head and the platypus are misaligned by up to 180 degrees, pushing the value to $40,000. The fourth is the milled edge error, where the 120 reeded lines are missing or incomplete, making it an extreme rarity worth up to $45,000. Finally, the ultimate treasure is the mule error or weight anomaly, where the coin is struck on the wrong blank, bringing the maximum value to a staggering $50,000 USD. By revealing these specific errors and their incredible values, viewers will stay glued to the screen to check their own pockets and maximize your average view duration.